If you're tired of using mundane keyboards that feel cheap and make typing a chore, look no further. The Nuphy Halo96 mechanical gaming keyboard is here to revolutionize your typing experience. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. So let's start with the unboxing part. Here is the box of the Nuphy Halo96. As we open the box, we get to see the keyboard. Along with the keyboard, we find an FAQ paperwork and a user manual. The user manual is not just a simple user manual. It also doubles as a poster featuring the anime character shown on the box. To enhance your experience, you also get amazing stickers. Additionally, there is an accessory kit that includes extra sample switches, different types of accent keycaps, a switch and keycap puller to easily attach and detach the keys from the keyboard, and a Type-C cable for wired use. A band of light, the halo, forms the central piece that unites the solid unibody aluminum frame, first seen on a fully assembled keyboard, with the laser-polished ABS base, available in wear-resistant anodized matte black and electrophoresis-coated iconic white. Nuphy always minimizes delays, whether it's pairing with the new setup on the road, multitasking between up to 4 different Mac and/or Windows devices, or handling heavy-duty editing and gaming that push a connection's responsiveness to the limit. With its seamless tri-mode connection integration, perfect dual OS support, and 4,000 mAh built-in battery that can sustain 205 hours, all lights off, of continuous use. Nuphy has been updating and fine-tuning the multimedia keys layout and function for macOS and/or Windows on our keyboards to reflect the newest developments from OS vendors. The all-new Nuphy KOP keycaps, molded with the double-shot PBT process, sport an ergonomic rounded corner, flatter design. They also feature grease and scratch-resistant surfaces that retain their stunning look and feel, even after extensive use. One of the standout features of this keyboard is the Ghostbar, the world's first noise suppression space keycap. It is the culmination of half a year of acoustic, material, and structural engineering. It eliminates hollow sound, allowing the spacebar sound to blend perfectly with other keys. A single unified indicator LED keeps you informed about connection, modes, OS transitions, caps lock, and battery status. You can easily stay focused while being entertained. Nuphy has promised a light show that never stops. And it certainly wouldn't be stopped by the keyboard's edges. The two-tone wrist set, built from a precision-machined acrylic module and aluminum module, is a great companion to Halo Light. Finally, the Nuphy Halo96 mechanical gaming keyboard is a revolution in the keyboard industry. It targets professionals and heavy users who expect the finest, with its unique design, cutting-edge functionality, and superior typing experience. This keyboard delivers a premium experience for gamers, content creators, and anybody who appreciates a comfortable and effective typing experience. This is it for the Nuphy Halo96 mechanical gaming keyboard. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more unboxing and review videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.